Alright, I'm going to show you how to find a missing assignment or a failing assignment. So if you come over here to classes and you want to go to your math class, okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to grades. Alright, and then you want to look at your grades. Okay, so like 2.01 quiz. We took this quiz the very first week. So let's say that you have a 0 here. Or maybe you took it but you only got one question right. So you have a 3. Okay, that's not very good. You want a 10. So what you're going to do is you're going to pay attention to this number right here. That says 2.01. Okay, so you're going to come up to the top and you're going to go to content. Right here, click that word content. Okay, and remember, we're going to look for 2.01. Right here, it says search topics. You can type in any missing or failing quiz. We'll type in 2.01, okay? And then you just press enter. And here it is. Here's your quiz 2.01, okay? So that is how you find any missing quizzes, okay? Like if you're missing the TGA, I can type 3.10, enter, and here it is. Here's my TGA. So anything that you're missing, you just type the numbers in right here, and that's how you find it.